All right, we've just finished our second pull. We've looked at the throwing lines. We like how thin they are. Now we're gonna start moving into our third and maybe eventually fourth and fifth, all depending on the size of the clay, how much you're using and what you're going for. Okay? You can see that my clay has gotten a little bit taller with that second pull. You really start to see some height after that second, third, and even fourth pulls as you're actually moving this clay up. Okay? Now, as you're pulling, one thing you need to think about is if you put no pressure in between your fingers and move up the side of your walls, your clay isn't going to get any taller because you're not moving any of that clay with pressure. Okay? Now, on the flip side, if you put so much pressure together with that tool that you almost rip the top part of your clay off, you put too much pressure and you'll eventually ruin your cylinder. So your kind of job as the thrower is to figure out how much pressure is appropriate for what pull you're on and how tall you actually want to make your in this case, cylinder. So I'm here, I'm going to get in that same hand position. I'm going down and in towards each other, and then I'm slowly moving up the sides of my walls. Till I get almost all the way to the top. And I'm going to release that pressure. I like to compress the rim after every time that I pull. And you can see my cylinder is just getting taller and taller. I will continue this until I think that my walls are about 1/2 of an inch or for as tall as I want to make this cylinder or pot that I'm throwing on the wheel.